Walmart app address verification error usually means the address you're entering doesn't match the format recognized by the payment processor, your bank, or the shipping database. It doesn't always mean your address is wrong. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common reasons the Walmart app won't verify your address and the fastest ways to fix it. First, check that your billing address exactly matches the one your bank has on file. This is the address connected to your debit or credit card, not necessarily the place where you want your order delivered. Even small differences like an apartment number, abbreviation, or missing zip code extension can cause verification to fail. Next, verify your shipping address. Open your Walmart account, go to your saved addresses and edit the address instead of creating a new one. Make sure the street number, apartment or unit number, city, state, and zip code are complete and free of spelling mistakes. Avoid extra punctuation or special characters, unless they're part of the official address. If you're entering a recently built address or a new apartment complex, the verification system may not recognize it yet. In that case, try using the official postal format for your address or contact Walmart customer care to confirm the address can receive deliveries. If the address looks correct but the error continues, remove the saved payment method and add it again. Sometimes the billing information stored with the card becomes outdated after you move or update your address with your bank. You should also update the Walmart app. An older version of the app can cause account or checkout issues that have already been fixed in a newer release. If the app is current, sign out, sign back in, and try placing the order again. If that doesn't work, clear the app's cache on Android or reinstall the app on iPhone or Android. Another quick test is to complete the purchase on Walmart's website using the same account. If the website accepts the address but the app doesn't, the problem is more likely related to the app than your account information. If nothing works, contact your bank to confirm your billing address matches their records, then contact Walmart support with the exact error message you're seeing. That gives both sides the information they need to identify the problem faster. The key takeaway is simple. Match your billing address exactly to your bank's records, verify your shipping address, refresh your payment information, and make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Try those steps before creating a new account. If this video helped, like it, and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides.